Yeah, so we're gonna look at the equations of the break-even analysis. So here we have a problem. They are saying the net group established that its fixed costs is 45,000. Its variable costs per unit is equal to 20 shillings, and the selling price is equal to 50. They're saying determine the break-even quantity. Getting a formula of break-even quantity, you can get it from the graph like I had shown you, whereby you say solution at point B, break-even point. At the break-even point, the TR is equal to the total cost, where our total revenue is given by price times quantity, and our total cost is given by fixed quantity, fixed cost price, variable cost per unit. So here we shall have to write terms. So it is PQ minus VC. Q is equal to FC. So this is quantity into P minus VC. So this gives us VC is equal to P minus variable cost. P minus VC. This cancels. We shall have our quantity as FC over selling price minus variable cost. So this is our equation that we shall use in this question. So our quantity, the break-even quantity is given by the fixed cost over selling price minus variable costs. So therefore our quantity will be given by our fixed cost, which is 45,000, over our selling price, which is 50 minus 20. This gives us 45,000 over 30. We cancel this. We shall get 150 units, 1,500 units. So that is our quantity. Our next question says contribution per unit. The contribution per unit. If you're writing, you can write. They are very sensitive. It is sensitive information, really. So the contribution per unit. The contribution per unit is given by the selling price. Selling price minus the variable cost. So this is the contribution. So here we shall have our selling price, which is 50 minus 20, which gives us 30 units. So 30 units we have contributed. So after this, we shall have another question. Another question says, question 2. NSB Enterprises, the leading manufacturers of soap, sells a bar at a bar. So our selling price is 1,200. A company incurs fixed costs of 6 million, and variable costs of 200. What's the first question? Output and revenue at break-even point. So the output at break-even point is given by Q is equal to FC over selling price minus VC. We shall have our Q is equal to our fixed cost, 6M over minus 200. This will give us 6 million over 1,000. So cancel with this, we shall remain with 6,000 as our quantity. This is given in units. Now that is the output. So they're asking us revenue at break-even point. When they ask you revenue at break-even point, you have to remember that at break-even point, TR, total revenue, is given by price times times quantity. So our TR is given by price. What is the price? What is the selling price? It's 100. It is 1,200 times the quantity that we have right now. So I get our TR as 72,00123. 7 million Ghana shillings. That is